Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Alcohol vending machines are suitable for the environment concerned. Instead of going to a local store in order to buy an alcohol, you can just put some coins in the alcohol vending machine and you will have that ready in just a minute.
Background and rationale. Market developed via automatic vending machines has grown quickly since it is convenient, faster, and cheaper than the other products. Vending machines were developed further, which led to a focus on installation, training, and the existence of effective instruction, maintenance, and repair, being essential to achieve customer needs and satisfaction in different markets. Coin-operated vending machines are most popular in all the vending machines. The customer is able to get required quantity of product by inserting coins in vending machine through coin discriminator.
This study discusses the design and fabrication of a coin-operated alcohol vending machine. Alcohol vending machines are available and operated on only one coin. Ethanol has become the most commercial products of the century. This may sound bizarre, but true. Therefore, the main goal of this study is to design alcohol vending machine which is portable within limited amount and also to provide ease and solution to the public commuters refilling their bottles with it is empty, and it can provide easily to the public places for they will no longer use the QR code while buying it to the grocery store.
This machine can also be used when they are not carrying any sanitizer. The advantage of this study is it will no longer require staff support, yet it can make money. Customers don't bother too much because it's simply dropping, convenient, and allow customers to get sanitizing alcohol in a time cost saving manner.
Problem statement. On the basis of our survey, it is found that the present coin-operated water vending machines are huge and occupy more space and cannot be utilized in all the required places. What design parameters should we consider to develop the coin-operated alcohol vending machine? What development and implementation strategy should we adopt to be utilized to ensure that the coin-operated alcohol vending machine will work? What evaluation parameters should we assess in order to measure the performance and acceptability of the coin-operated alcohol vending machine?
The objectives of this study are: first, is the researchers of this project develop aim. Second is to design and fabricate a portable machine using simple techniques. Third is to develop modeling and simulation. Fourth is to evaluate the use of existing pre-purified alcohol bottle spray as refills for vending machine. And lastly is to evaluate the effectiveness of the coin-operated alcohol vending machine.
Framework. This is our conceptual framework. In the input phase are baseline research, components identification, data gathering, and in the process phase are designing, development, implementation, evaluation, and lastly, the output is the complete prototype.
The review of related literature. This is the summarization of related prior works and other literatures which have significant connection included in the research. First, in the 19th century, the first vending machine to be successfully commercialized by Thomas Adams was used for the sale of their chewing gum in underground stations of New York. Only in 1902, the first company of vending machines emerged.
Next is Oshikobo 1986, invented automatic vending machines which are operated exclusively by key cards. In these machines, a magnetic card or other type of key cards is employed for including a sale.
Another invention of Hart, 1983, a coin-operated purified water dispensing device that accurately measures and dispenses a given amount of water by hydraulic action. A pair of vertically stacked transparent filled tubes is mounted in a cabinet in visual exposed relation of a consumer operating the machine.
And this is our design. We can see the isometric view and the rear view. That's it for all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.